it looks.
Don't mess around and put your finger in the way of this because it will go into your finger.
You got 6 days.
It's a bad thing when your number one worker is getting knee surgery.
Sorry. Steph, you and Casey are gonna get to experience the full play of this. Y'all are gonna cut this window out. You have to use the jigsaw. And what the best thing to do is put it up and get it stable just like you want it, and then mark it where the window is, and then put it over here and cut it with a jigsaw. So I've done those down there, and this is one side of it, and then we'll do the other side.
What you'll need to do is take an angle on the corner where you cut the corner off enough that you're then gonna start being able to go straight across the back side. Then we can come back and we can cut this part off and get the corner out.
Not perfect, but that's my first time using a jigsaw.
How's that, ladies? What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's gonna look good.
Okay. It's not gonna have to stand much weather out here. It's just more of an aesthetic thing.
How many days do you have left to work on this?
5 days. I can't wait to get up there really high and try to get a screw in it.
We need our, what are those called that we said we gotta get?
Impact wrench.
Bungee cords?
Headlamp. Y'all need to wear a headlamp for
No, yeah, but thing you get on top of and work on.
Scaffold. We definitely need a scaffold.
So while we're working on the goat pen, he's been working away in here on the workshop because you have how many days left until you're having your knee replacement?
3 days. Trying to get a few lights up so we can have lights while we're wounded and weary.
So he's been getting up at like 4 a.m. coming out here, working till 6 p.m. I feel like I'm already really high on this ladder though. I guess I gotta go up a little bit. Scared.
Oh yeah. You check how level it is. The board's got a bow in it.